And now it begins. Okay, this is the 77 Trans Am for one of our really good clients. This is probably going to be well over a 6-figure build. It's a 77 TA hardtop. I think it had like original 36K, 39,000 original miles. Customer took it apart. He's commissioned us to build him something sweet and special. So basically gave us a blank check and free reign on design, and we get to pick all the parts, the colors, and now we're going to tear it down, get it ready for sandblasting. Do that. So like I said, LS3, fully built, fully forged. It's probably going to be capable of doing 600 horsepower, naturally aspirated. Obviously that can be tuned down. We're running the 4L65E transmission with all sorts of billet internals. Probably going to go with the Circle D torque converter. It's either that or a precision. I'm probably going to go with the Circle D. It's only like $400 more. We've got the full hydroformed subframe K-member from Detroit Speed. It's got all the front end. It's all based off of a C6 Corvette. Same thing, we're going with and we already have that. We have that chassis, and going with 4-wheel 14-inch disc bare brakes all the way around with 6S calipers. Those are here. We have a shortened Ford from GearFX, shortened Ford 9-inch with a GearFX third member running 373s in it. Again, all safety wired, all billet spool, Quaterlink rear end from Detroit Speed. We don't have any of the interior stuff ordered. Obviously the body stuff we're gonna do here. Gotta cut all the glass out, but basically today I'm just gonna try to get this thing blown completely apart, get it all bagged and tagged, and hopefully get the sandblaster out here soon so Jeremiah can start doing the body work. But he's in his own zone. Hey! Yeah, he's light years away.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Greg and Eric at SouthSideSleds. Today Eric's doing his hair with a very hot blow dryer. Removing the emblems off of this tank so you can put these side covers on. So they epoxy onto the tank, so he's heating up the emblems, getting the glue warm, and using a plastic pry bar to get the emblem off so it gets up snug to the tank when they get epoxied on there. That's how you injure your hand.
Should we nickname Eric Popsicle?
Hey, Popsicles.